Hey everyone, this is Dhruvin, and in this session we are going to talk about headers and navigation in Power BI mobile application. Here we will be doing side by side comparison of desktop view as well as mobile view, and we will talk about each individual things in detail. So now let's get started. First of all, let me move over to my Power BI service account and let me open one of the Power BI apps that I have published with my service account. So here you can see that this is one of my app which name is personalized app, and here once the app is opened, here you can see this type of navigation where I have different sections like dashboards, mobile view reports and some other reports, and at last I have one context us link. So this is the navigation available in the desktop view. Now how this navigation look like in the mobile view, let me show you that thing in detail. The mobile layout also provide us a very good experience using which we can easily navigate through the different component of the apps. So now let me show you that thing in detail. On your screen at this moment you can see the replica of my mobile. Now I am opening Power BI mobile application from my mobile. So let me open Power BI mobile application over here and let's check the other things. Now here at the very bottom you can see the app icon available here, right? So just click on the app icon over here. So once you open the app icon, here you can see the different available apps from your account. Now let me open this personalized view POC application over here. So I just opened that app in my mobile view, right? Now let me just talk about the header and tree view navigation. So just click on this icon and this will open this type of tree view structure to us. At this moment it is showing different sections over here like dashboard, mobile view reports and reports. It is same as the section as we seen in the desktop view, right? Now whenever I'm clicking on any of the view, it is expanding its available report over here. If the report is provided for mobile layout, it is showing this type of icon to us, right? Now if I expand this report view, you can see that all available report under the report section, right? Now let me click on anywhere. Let's say I'm clicking on mobile view report. So it is redirecting me to the mobile view report like this, right? Now one more thing to remember, when you navigate to the report at the time, if you click on the header over here, it is showing that you can see this arrow icon over here, which means that you have opened this report at this moment, and at this moment you are under mobile view reports and you are watching mobile view report, and this is the page count it is showing over here, right? Now from this tree view you can navigate anywhere. Let's say I'm expanding this report and let's say I'm just clicking on this top 10 features of decomposition tree over here. So what happened here is, let's say this is the desktop view report which I'm opening to the mobile. So it is automatically opened in the landscape mode. Now over here let's click on this particular icon over here. So whenever I'm clicking on here, you can see that it is showing me at this moment I am at top 10 features in the decomposition tree, and here you can see this arrow icon. The arrow icon which means that you are watching page 1 at this moment. Here it is showing all the available pages from your report. So at this moment in my report I have 3 pages: drill through, then second one was home and page 1, right? So it is showing me that, and the current page, current position in the tree view is mentioned by this arrow, right? Same way this type of navigation is available. You can navigate through yourself anywhere. Now let's say this is one reference link, so same reference link is available over here as well, right? So whenever you click on, you will be redirected to the new window to open that thing. Now I want to discuss one more thing about the header navigation. You can see this ellipsis icon on the top right corner. Just click on that. Here you have 4 different options available: refresh, share, open content list and favorite. So let's say for an example, if you want to share this report, this app to anyone in your application, so you can easily just click on share. It will show all the available app from your mobile where you can share your report. You can share the report based on your requirement, right? Now let's say for an example, if you want to see what is available into this particular app, so just click on open content list and it will show like currently one dashboard, one mobile view report, three reports and two other reports, and contact us link is available into this particular view. If you want to add this app as a favorite, just click on that and it will add it to your favorites, right? If you want to search, it will provide this very good experience of search as well, right? Now one more thing I want to add here. Whenever you expand your header, at this moment you can see the summary over here: 6 reports, 1 dashboard, 3 section and 1 external link. So it is showing that thing in detail over here. Now if I show you the same thing in the desktop, it will exact same, and the experience is also very good. You can see that this is our header, this is our dashboard section, right? And under dashboard there is one dashboard. Mobile view report, one report is there. In reports there are 3 reports, so it is showing like that. And over here there are 2 reports and 1 contact us link. So the same exact navigation is provided over here into this app, right? So this is really amazing. Now let me talk about one more thing about the workspace experiences for the mobile layout. So let me move over to any of my workspace over here. So to navigate through the workspace, you need to click on this workspace icon available over here. Just click on workspace, so it will show all the available workspace in your app. Now let me open one of my workspace like this, right? Now what we need to do here is, let's go to the report view, and here you can see that if we have prepared the mobile layout report, it is showing this mobile icon with the reports thing, and other reports are showing like this, right? Now let me just click on top 10 features of decomposition tree over here, right? Now let's say whenever you expand this header again, so here you can see the entire navigation. It is showing the available workspace, in which workspace you are and which report you have opened and how many pages do you have. So you have 3 pages and at this moment you are at home page, right? So it is provide this beautiful navigation to us, using which we can easily navigate through the workspace. Let's say I'm navigate to the workspace, and same way from here if I'm going to workspace, I am having this navigation option. So this mobile layout navigation is very helpful and very handy to us. So this is really amazing reimagined header of workspace and report and apps. So this is really amazing, and you can easily use this feature with your Android or iOS app, and that makes your report seeing experience much better and much useful. If you really like this video, hit the subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel related Power Platform videos. Basically, I am uploading new video every day related Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agents and Microsoft 365. So stay tuned with me. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Stay connected with me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and WhatsApp. If you wish to receive the daily notification from my channel, click on this link. It will be redirecting you to this form. Fill the form and you will be receiving daily notification on your WhatsApp number. Stay connected with me. Have a great day. Goodbye.